We all five will be together. Least area would have been covered. We all five will go to a particular hall, and not many people were not available in hall 5 hall 2 because the juniors were going to the mega box. It was the first time they are seeing the mega box. So if we all five are targeting only a particular hall, that's rubbish. So we all have
how many parcels written?
Uday and we were to the Uday and Shashi and Meena.
Yeah.
So three parts for you. Three of you all separately.
Yes.
And then 2 and 2.
Yeah.
So we just shouted at someone.
Initially,
and again we give you
Hemant
say that we split.
Hemant and Hemant went to the hall 7, and Meena, Shashi, I and Uday went to the shop C. After that, we split and went to the.
Whose idea was it to split?
Yeah.
Whose idea was it to split?
We can't definitely say whose idea was to.
Does anybody know whose idea was?
We altogether decided that we have to cover most of the halls.
Yes.
So the time in which I've collected from the hall 1 most of the material, Shashi and Meena I've collected from the GH.
And you are.
Actually, I think there is a compulsion of for keeping 2 people in firing zone.
No, you can
So,
keep one person.
That's why I have told.
So he
So
said
you opted yourself to be in the firing zone.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir.
So you want to be fired. You can fire you right now if you want.
No,
So
sir. Actually, that there is a compulsion, sir, because they are not going to say that.
point is like since Rohan is not there, so he's there. He said like because Rohan was not there, he found out he had this problem, so he was not able to contribute what he could, like to the 100%. So he in a way feels that he was like some way like he could not contribute to the task. So he's like sitting over here with me.
one thing I want to tell you all people, you're not here to be saints. You're here to win the competition. I think I'm seeing all you people like dedicating yourself for the benefit of others. I mean, if you want to do that, we can fire you right here and right now, and we can only want people who are zeal to win. Let me tell you all
guys,
this.
let go the altruism. Be very selfish. We can reshuffle your teams. We can put you with totally different people altogether. So there's no use being, as he said, a saint. And be very selfish. Keep yourself in. Keep yourself out of the fight zone as much as possible. Alright, then I think the decision here is pretty clear. So the guy who's absconding, the guy who's not here, he's fired. I think we should take a vote from the whole team first.
Not full.
Yeah, we can.
Now that they're here in the first round, from next time. So each of you guys, just name one person from these 3. If you think the leadership was weak, then name him. If you think either of these 2 guys were at fault, name them. You have to name one person. If somebody doesn't name himself, then we'll keep it in mind that okay, you are you don't really want to win, and maybe we could fire you later. So maybe in the next round. So
Start from there. Last
Yeah.
person.
quick name. You.
Hemant. You.
Please. Fast. Quick.
Fast or you
Let's
buy-
put her in the zone
Yeah.
as well. Maybe she can-
Hemant.
Shashi.
Who do you think is the weakest in the team?
Hemant.
Hemant.
Shashi. Okay.
That is 4-3, Hemant Shashi.
But we are not democracy, so
Yeah.
we'll
Now
still-
you all
Why
decide.
Shashi?
My point is, I told you that you should be with the team because you are new to in this campus, and there is only 2 cities. So we are moving to GH, and you have to be with them. And when they told them to, you have to remain here for 5 minutes, so probably they should have contacted them that I don't know the way. How would I reach to the GH1? I alone can't reach there. So that's where she made a mistake.
Was it her mistake? It was, as Ankur said, it was a decision of the whole team that she should stay there.
No, probably she could say that I don't know the way. Why you are leaving me here alone?
Shashi, what do you say to that? Why didn't you say him that you don't know the way? You were late,
Yes,
right?
this is my fault. But I think that मेरा पहला टारगेट ये था कि मुझे अपने सारे सामान कलेक्ट करने हैं. That's why I forget I have to told to
Okay,
him.
so why do you
This
think
is only-
why do you think Hemant should be fired?
What?
Why do you think he should be fired? Hemant should be fired.
No, there is some lacking in leadership quality.
Okay.
What?
So, do you think you could have been a better leader? You would have led the team properly. आप ज़्यादा अच्छा करते हैं. अगर लीडर होते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता, जी जाते शायद.
Yes.
Ankur, why Hemant?
हेमंत का थोड़ा इनिशियली बहुत जल्दी में से डिसीजंस ले लिए कि हम ऐसा करते हैं कि हम 2 इधर जाते हैं,
Yes,
तुम
yes.
4 के 4 लोग एक साथ शॉप से मतलब ये बहुत गलत डिसीजन। आप 2 लोग एक साथ हॉल 7 और GS कवर नहीं कर सकते।
What happened to the 7th person?
2 and 5.
2 and 5.
2
2
and
and 5. Okay.
So-
Why this weird combination? 2 and 5 rather than
I
3 and
thought
4?
there are shop C and others faculty stuff. So probably they'll have to go each and I mean there can be one security outside and they should.
हेमंत ने लीडरशिप के अलावा एक मिनट बस हेमंत ने लीडरशिप के अलावा खुद से कितना सामान कलेक्ट किया? डू यू थिंक इट वाज कंपैरेबल टू हर? क्विक यस कंपैरेबल और मोर?
I guess more because Hemant was with me, so I know how much stuff that we have collected.
वो तो
I saw the final list of things that were collected downstairs, so I can say that with good amount of information.
We're not in a position to say because we didn't see how much Hemant collected. We were we 5 were together.
You saw the
Came
total,
back, we
right?
just seen some out of.
We saw the
Yeah.
total, definitely we saw the total.
Total we just saw, but it was all
And then
together.
Shashi later joined us, so we knew how things. I could roughly make out how things went out.